Hi guys, welcome back. If you've never been here before, welcome. We will be doing a very fun project, and it's a DIY vase with a rustic country flair. Now let's get started. Ensure that your glue is very liquidy before you start, and when you start applying the rope to the jar, make sure that you start very low so the jar and the rope will sit flush to the table when you're done, and secure the end of that rope nicely with the glue so it does not unravel. Always keep the rope as tight together as possible so you don't get the jar peeking through the rope. To finish off at the top, cut the rope on the diagonal to reduce the bulk, and then finish off with your glue. If you had fun doing this project with me, guys, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. We will be doing I promise you, a fun artwork with materials that you can readily find around your home or in the dollar store for a great price. The first thing we need to do is tear bits of the masking tape, roll them over on themselves, and put them around the perimeter of the canvas. Ensure that when you put the bits of tape on the perimeter of the frame, they do not come further than a ½ an inch or so in, because you don't want them to take up more space than the tape itself. The width of the tape will take up, because the tape will be used as the border or the frame for the artwork. Now it's time to lay the lace over the canvas. Now you lay your lace according to what design you want to transfer onto your canvas. And after you have gotten to where you want to be, then go ahead and start taping around the perimeter to create your border. It's a good idea to wear gloves when you are doing the project, actually at this point, because now we're getting ready to use the spray paint. Now it is very important that you shake the spray paint before you start, and hold the can straight over the lace. Don't hold it at an angle because you don't want the paint to go under the lace. What do you think, guys? Please let me know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe.